My dear children, how are you? I hope you are fine. Today we are going to see a new chapter, chapter number 5, fraction. This is a very important chapter, so listen carefully children. What is mean by fraction? Fraction is a part of a whole. What is mean by fraction? Fraction is a part of a whole. And what is mean by whole? The whole may be a single object. The whole may be a single object or a collection of objects. Okay. Let us understand by seeing a picture in your book. See here children. What they are giving? They given a picture of a pizza. The pizza is divided into how many parts? 8 parts. 8 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So totally 8 parts. So among the 8 parts, one part is selected. So to represent this situation, we are writing it as 1 by 8. Similarly, see here. How many butterflies are there totally? 9 butterflies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So totally 9 butterflies. How many butterflies are selected? 4 butterflies are selected. So to represent this situation, they are writing it as 4 by 9. Thus, the whole may be a single object. The whole may be a group of object or collection of object. Do you understand children? What is meant by fraction? Fraction is a part of a whole. The whole may be a single object. Fraction is a part of a whole. The whole may be a group of object. Do you understand children? Okay. Let us continue the class. Look at the board. So what is the fraction contains? Fraction contains a numerator and a denominator. Between the numerator and denominator we have a small bar. We can also call this bar as a vinculum. Okay. So the numerator and denominator gives a fraction. See here children, these are the sums you have already seen in grade 5. Let us recall this. How can you write the fraction of this shaded portion? We are going to write the fraction for shaded portion. For that, you have to count totally how many parts are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So totally there are 6 parts. So among the 6 parts, how many parts are shaded? 1, 2, 3 parts are shaded. So you have to write the 3 as the numerator. So our fraction is 3 by 6. How can you read this? 3 by 6. Similarly, see here. What is the shape? This is the triangle. Triangle is divided into how many parts? 1, 2, 3 parts. Okay. Among the 3 parts, totally 3 parts means you have to write the 3 as a denominator. Among the 3 parts, one part is shaded. So you have to write the 1 as its numerator. So your answer is 1 by 3. Okay. Thus, what is the fraction? Fraction is a part of a whole. The whole may be either a single object or a group of object or what is the another name for group? Collection of object. I hope you understand. Next we are going to see types fraction and their names. We can also write the name of the fraction. Okay. See here 1/4. 1/4 means you have to write 1 as the numerator and 4 as the denominator. So 1/4. 1/4 means 1 by 4. Similarly 3/4. So what is the answer? 3/4 means 3 by 4. So 3 comes as a numerator and 4 for 4 you have to write 4 as a denominator. Do you understand children? Half. Half or otherwise 1/2. It means 1 by 2. What is the half? 1 by 2. What is the half? 1 by 2. Similarly quarter. Quarter means 1 by 4. What is the quarter? 1 by 4. Among the 4 parts, one part is selected. Okay. 3/5. What is the 3/5? 3 by 5. 3/5 means 3/5 means 3 by 5. Similarly 2/3. What is the 2/3? 2 comes as a numerator and 3 comes as a denominator. So 2/3 means 2 by 3. Similarly 3/10. What is it? 3/10? 3 come as a numerator and 10 come as a denominator. So 3/10 means 3 by 10. Similarly 1/6. What is it mean 1/6? 1 come as a numerator and 6 come as a denominator. So 1/6 means 1 by 6. Do you understand, children? In your maths book, you also have problems based on this. See here, take page number 73. See here, children. Which of the following shows 1 by 4 of the given collection? So similarly, you have to have the answer this question. See the second sum. Draw a line from the fraction to the picture that has the same portion shaded and then to the name of the fraction. See here, we have 1 by 2. See here, among this picture, which represent the 1 by 2. See here, this is the 1 by 2 because totally 2 parts. One part is shaded. So you have to draw a line from 1 by 2 to this diagram. After that, you have to connect it to its name. So what is the name of this 1 by 2? Off or 1 off. So here we have 1 off. So you have to draw a line from 1 by 2 to this picture and then to 1 off. Similarly, answer this question, answer the fourth question and also answer the fifth question. Fourth question and fifth question, it is very easy. You have to shade the portion for the given fraction. See here 2 by 9. Already first one is shaded for you. 1 by 6 means among the 6 part you have to shade only for one part. See here 1 by 3 means among the 3 parts you have to shade only for one part. So you have to shade the portion which is in the numerator. Here we have 1. So you have to shade only the one part. Similarly here also we have 1. So you have to shade only the one part. Do you understand, children? See the fifth sum. Write the fraction. You have to write the fraction for this. How many? First you have to count how many parts in the given figure. Count the parts 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So write the 6 as the denominator. And how many parts is shaded? 1. So write the 1 as a numerator. So your answer is 1 by 6. I hope you are understanding this sum and do these sums in your book itself. Okay. Now we are going to see types of fraction. We have many types of fractions. First we are going to see proper fractions. What is improper fraction? We already know fraction means numerator and denominator. On basis on the concept of basis on the values of numerator and denominator, we are explaining proper fraction. What is proper fraction is if numerator is less than its denominator, then such type of fractions are said to be proper fraction. If numerator is less than its denominator. See here, example 4 by 5, which is the numerator? 4. So 4 is the numerator and 5 is the denominator. So see here 4 is less than 5. So such type of fraction is said to be proper fraction. See 1 by 3, 1 is the numerator and 3 is the denominator. 1 is less than 3. So numerator is less than denominator. So we can call it as a proper fraction. Similarly, see here 5 by 13, 3 by 8. These are the example for proper fraction. See here, children. This is a paper toy. See the head of this toy. How it looks so small. And see its body. It looks so big. So head is small. The body is big. See what is meant by proper fraction? Numerator is small and denominator is big. So if the numerator is less than its denominator, such types of fraction are said to be proper fraction. Head is small, body is big. Numerator is small, denominator is big. So such type of fractions are said to be proper fraction. Do you understand, children? Okay. Next, see an important note. Fractions with values less than 1 are called proper fractions. We are calling the fractions with values less than 1. How can you say the values are less than 1? Take one example, 4 by 5. Now I am going to prove the value of 4 by 5 is less than 1. See here, 4. I am dividing the 4 by 5. So 4 is not enough. So I am adding 0 point and add 1 0. So 8 is 14. So our remainder is 0. Thus, if you divide the 4 by 5, you get the answer as 0.8. So 0.8 is the value less than 1. 0.8 the value is less than 1. So we can say fractions with values less than 1 are called proper fraction. What is to be proper fraction? Numerator is less than its denominator. Numerator is less than its denominator. Do you understand, children? Okay. Next we are going to see improper fraction. What is the improper fraction? Numerator is greater than its denominator. See here. See this paper toy. Numerator is bigger than its denominator. See, numerator is bigger than its denominator. Take the numerator as head, denominator as its body. See, the head looks so big than its body. So, if the numerator is bigger than its denominator, so numerator is bigger than its denominator, such type of situation are said to be improper fraction. If numerator is bigger than its denominator, such type of fractions are said to be improper fraction. Why I am showing this picture? By seeing this picture, you can easily understand the concept of improper fraction. That's why I am showing this. Okay. See the head is bigger than its body. So, if the numerator is bigger than its denominator, such types of fractions are said to be improper fraction. See here. 5 by 4. See, 5 is greater than its denominator 4. So we can call it as a improper fraction. Similarly, 13 by 7, 8 by 5, 17 by 6, 10 by 9. See, all the numerator are bigger than its denominator. 17 is bigger than 16, 8 is greater than 5, 13 is greater than 7. So we can call this fraction as improper fraction. Okay, see the note. Fractions with values greater than 1. In case of proper fraction, its values are less than 1. But in the case of improper fraction, its values are greater than 1. See here. Consider one example 8 by 5. Now I am going to prove the value of this improper fraction is greater than 1. Let us see. Now I am going to divide the 8 by 5. So 1 5 is 5. Subtracting the 5 from 8, the remainder is 0. Put a point in a quotient and add 1 0. 6 5s are 30. So remainder is 0. So its answer is 1.6. So 1.6 definitely the value is greater than 1. So we can say if it is improper fraction means definitely value is greater than 1. If it is proper fraction means definitely values takes less than 1. We understand, children? Once again read the note. Fractions with values greater than 1 are called improper fraction. Okay. Next we are going to see an important fraction, unit fractions. What is mean by unit fraction? Read the definition. A proper fraction with the numerator as 1. See here, this is a key point. A proper fraction, you have to consider a proper fraction with numerator as 1 is called a unit fraction. You have to take a proper fraction. Proper fraction means numerator is less than its denominator, and also you have to take the numerator as 1. Such types of fractions are said to be unit fractions. See here 1 by 2. What is the numerator? 1. And denominator is 2. So this type of fraction is said to be unit fraction. 1 by 7, 1 by 10, 1 by 13, 1 by 25. Similarly, we can write many examples. So, it is a proper fraction. At the same time, the numerator are 1. This type of fractions are said to be unit fractions. Do you understand? Next, we are going to see another type of fraction, mixed fraction. What is the mixed fraction? Read the definition. It is a combination of whole number and a proper fraction. What is the mixed fraction? It is a combination of whole number and a proper fraction. See here, children. See the example. 2 1 by 3. So 2 1 by 3. 2 is a whole number and 1 by 3 is a proper fraction. So as a whole, how can you read this? 2 1 by 3. So we can call 2 1 by 3 as a mixed fraction. We understand, children? So what is the mixed fraction? It is a combination of whole number and a proper fraction. fraction. But in your book they have mentioned only as a fraction. So, but you have to mean that it should be a proper fraction. Okay. So, what is the mixed fraction? Mixed fraction is a combination of a whole number and a proper fraction. What are the examples? 2 1 by 3, 4 5 by 7, 3 2 by 5. See here children, see this paper toy. See, this is a proper fraction and this is a whole number. So, a mixed fraction is a combination of whole number and a proper fraction. So, what is the mixed fraction? Mixed fraction is a combination of whole number and a proper fraction. How should be a proper fraction? Numerator should be less than its denominator. So, mixed fraction is a combination of whole number and a proper fraction. Do you understand children? Okay. What is meant by proper fraction? Numerator is less than its denominator. And what is meant by improper fraction? Numerator is greater than its denominator. And what is meant by mixed fraction? A combination of whole number and a proper fraction. Okay. These are the three main types of fraction. Remember this concept. Okay. Next we are going to see how to convert the mixed into improper fraction. That is conversion of mixed fraction into improper fraction. That is now we are going to convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. Why we are converting this mixed fraction to improper fraction? For doing the calculation, it should be very easy. So we have to convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. So listen carefully. How can we convert? By to obtain the improper fraction of a given mixed fraction, you should multiply the whole part with denominator. That is whole number into denominator. The whole part into denominator plus numerator. After the multiplying these two values, you have to add the value with numerator and write the denominator as it is. You get the improper fraction. By doing the sums, you can easily understand children. So there is no need to memorize this formula. You just remember it. Okay. See here. Write the following as improper fraction. No need to write the formula. Okay. Just see the sum how we are converting the mixed into improper. See here. How can we convert? By multiplying the whole part into denominator plus numerator whole divided by denominator. See here. Which is the whole part here? The 2 is the whole part here. And which is the denominator? 4 is the denominator. And 3 is the numerator. Now we are going to convert this mixed into improper. For that, first you have to multiply the whole part with denominator. So 2 into 4. 2 into 4 plus 3. And write the denominator as it is. 4. Do you understand children? 2 into 4 plus 3. 2 into 4 plus 3. In your book they have written 2 plus 3 by 4 and then they do the sums. You no need to write as it is. Do the sum like this. Okay. 2, 3 by 4. Now we are going to convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. For that you have to multiply the whole part with denominator and then you have to add the numerator. So 2 into 4 plus 3 whole divided by write the denominator as it is 4. Do you understand? So 4 2s are 8 plus 3 by 4. 8 plus 3 11. So 11 by 4. So 2 3 by 4 is a mixed fraction. Now it is converted into improper fraction as 11 by 4. So what is the improper fraction of 2 3 by 4? 2 3 by 4 is equal to 11 by 4. Thus we have converted the given mixed fraction into improper fraction. Okay, see here. See here children, definitely you have to write the whole part in the middle of the fraction. See here, like this you have to write. Okay. Now we are going to convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. For that you have to multiply the whole part with denominator, which is the whole part here 5. Now we have to multiply the whole part with denominator and then add with numerator. So 5 into 5. Multiply the whole part with the denominator and then add the numerator. What is the numerator? 2. And write the denominator as it is 5. Do you understand? So 5 5s are 25 plus 2 by 5. So 25 plus 2, 27 by 5. Thus 5 2 by 5. This is the mixed fraction. We have converted this mixed fraction into improper fraction. What is the nature of improper fraction? The numerator is greater than its denominator. See, 27 is greater than its denominator. So, thus we have converted the mixed fraction into improper fraction. See the next sum, 6 1 by 3. So, to convert the mixed into improper fraction, you have to multiply the whole part with denominator. So 6 into 3. And then you have to add the numerator. What is the numerator? 1. So plus 1. And write the denominator as it is. Do you understand, children? Write the denominator 3 as it is. 6 plus 3. What is your answer? 6 plus 3. 6 into 3. 6 into 3. 6 3s are 18. So 18 plus 1 by 3. So 18 plus 1, what is your answer? 19. So 19 by 3. Thus 6 1 by 3 is converted into 19 by 3. See, 6 3s are 18. 18 plus 1, 19. 19 by 3. Thus we have converted mixed fraction into improper fraction. Okay. Next we are going to see conversion of improper into mixed. So far what we have discussed, how to convert the mixed into improper. Now we are going to discuss how to convert improper into mixed. Vice versa we are going to see. Okay, see here. How can you convert the improper into mixed fraction? Mixed fraction equal to quotient remainder by divisor. Quotient remainder by divisor. This is a formula to convert the mixed fraction into, to convert the improper into mixed fraction. No need to write the formula, just remember it. Okay. See here. See the example. First you have to read the question. Convert the following into mixed fraction. Read the first sum. 179 by 11. Now we are going to convert this improper fraction 179 by 11 into mixed fraction. How can we convert? For that you have to divide the numerator by denominator. So what is the numerator? 179. So what is the denominator? 11. See here, this is the rougher part, necessary part. Definitely in your answer sheet, if the rougher part should be there. Okay. So do the rougher part compulsory. Now we are going to divide the 179 by 11. See here, 17. I am selecting the first two numbers. Okay. So because our divisor is 2-digit number, so 17 is enough because it is greater than 11. So how many times? 1 time. So 111 is 11. So subtracting we get 6. So bring down the 9. So it becomes 69. So 6 11s are 66. 66. So 9 minus 6. What is your remainder? 3. So this is the quotient and this is the remainder. Okay. And this is the divisor. So write here as D. Now we are going to convert this improper into a mixed fraction. How can you convert? Quotient remainder by divisor. Quotient remainder by divisor. So what is the quotient here? Quotient is 16. So here you have to write the whole part. You have to use the quotient. So to write the whole part, you have to write the value of quotient. And then for the numerator, you have to write the value of remainder 3. And write the divisor as the denominator. So denominator remains same, children. So you have to write quotient as a whole part and remainder as a numerator. Remainder became the numerator and quotient became the whole part. I hope you understand. See the next sum, B 13 by 5. Now we are going to convert this improper fraction into a mixed fraction. For that you have to divide the 13 by 5. So how many times? 2 5s are 10. So 2 5s are 10. By subtracting we get the remainder as 3. So our remainder is 3 and 2 is the quotient. So how can you write the mixed fraction of this improper fraction. Write the denominator as it is. Okay. Remainder became numerator. So remainder became numerator and quotient became the whole part. Do you understand, children? The denominator remains same. Remainder became numerator and use the quotient as a whole part. Now we can check 5 2s are 10, 10 3s are 10 plus 3, 13. 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 3, 13. So our answer is correct. Okay, see the next sum. C. 14 by 3. Now we are going to convert this improper fraction into mixed fraction. So you have to divide the 14 by 3. How many times? 4 3s are 12. So 4 3s are 12. By subtracting we get 2. So what is your remainder? 2 is the remainder and 4 is the quotient. So how can you write the mixed fraction of 14 by 3? Write the denominator as it is. Write the remainder as the numerator. Remainder as the numerator. So 2 comes as a numerator and quotient comes as a whole part. Now we are going to check. 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 2 14. Thus we get the 14. Thus we have converted the improper fraction into mixed fraction. So far in today's class what we have discussed, what is meant by fraction. Fraction is a part of a whole. The whole may be a single object or a collection of objects. And then types of fraction: proper fraction, improper fraction, mixed fraction, unit fraction, and then conversion of mixed into improper fraction and conversion of improper into mixed fraction. So write your class of neatly and do your homework sum correctly. Okay, thank you children.